In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email notifications in Google Classroom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune which messages land in your inbox so you see what matters and skip the noise. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This keeps everything simple and ensures you're in the right place to access your classroom settings. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of squares. Click that to open the menu of Google services. From the Apps menu, choose Classroom. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in and make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have both personal and school or work accounts. Using the intended account ensures your notification changes apply to the right classes. Once Classroom opens, you'll be on your classes page. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open settings. This is where all your notification controls live. You'll see a section labeled notifications. To see everything available, click expand. This reveals all the categories you can manage so you can be precise about what you receive. Now turn on the items you do want to hear about. For example, you might enable emails when there are new assignments, grades posted, private comments from your teacher or students, or invitations to join classes. Think about what helps you stay on track. If you rely on timely reminders and feedback, keep those on. The switches are easy to toggle and your choices save automatically, no extra confirmation needed. Next, turn off the items you don't need. If your inbox feels crowded, consider disabling emails for things you regularly see inside Classroom anyway, or for classes that you check frequently. You can always return here to adjust if you find you're missing something important or getting more messages than you want. These changes affect future emails, so you'll notice the difference going forward. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Verify that you're making changes while signed into the correct account, especially on shared devices. And remember that you can review these settings anytime as your workload or teaching schedule changes. If you still receive more email than you'd like, consider organizing messages with labels or filters in your email service to keep everything tidy. That's it. You went to Google, opened Google Apps, selected Classroom, opened Settings, expanded Notifications, and chose what to enable and what to disable. Make these settings work for you and keep your inbox focused on the updates that matter most.